Hey everyone, I want to talk about this VEVOR jump starter, power bank, and flashlight all in one. This was given to me to check out. This is one of those products that's really nice to have in your vehicle in case your battery would die. If it does, you don't have to wait for someone else to bring jumper cables or to bring their car. You'll be a little more self-sufficient with this jump starter in your hands, and it's nice and convenient. This one has a 1,000 amp peak current, and it's made for vehicles with 5-liter gas engines or 3-liter diesel engines. So it should work well for a lot of everyday cars, smaller SUVs, motorcycles, lawnmowers, boats, and things like that. Inside the bag, you get the jump starter, the jumper cables, and the charging cable, so everything can stay together in your vehicle. Using it is pretty simple. You plug the jumper cable attachment into the jump starter, connect the red clamp to the positive terminal, and the black clamp to the negative terminal, or a good ground point. Then you can go ahead and start the vehicle. One thing I like about having a jump starter like this is that it gives you a little more peace of mind, especially if you have older vehicles like mine, if you're traveling, or if you have kids driving. It also has built-in safety protections, including things like reverse polarity and spark protection, which is nice because it helps make the process a little less intimidating if you don't jump vehicles very often. Another useful feature is that this also works as a power bank as well. So if you're camping, traveling, or stuck somewhere, you can use the USB port to charge your phone or other small devices. I just did this recently. We had a storm take the power out for a couple days for us, so I was able to use this to keep my phone charged. It also has a built-in flashlight with different modes. It has a steady light, strobe light, and SOS mode. So this is definitely nice to have in any kind of emergency situation. The size is nice and compact. It doesn't take up much room. You can keep this under your car seat, in your trunk, and even in some glove boxes. A few things I would keep in mind is this is a 1,000 amp model, so I'd look at it more for everyday vehicles and smaller engines. If you have a big truck or larger diesel engine, you may want to look at one of the higher amp versions. Also, like any jump starter, you want to make sure that you check it every now and then to make sure it's fully charged, so it would be ready whenever you would need it. Overall, this VEVOR jump starter is a practical emergency item to keep in your vehicle. It can jumpstart a dead battery, work as a flashlight, and even charge your phone, all in one pretty compact package. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.